In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check buyer and seller ratings on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're looking to sell or buy, knowing the reputation of the other party can make all the difference in ensuring a smooth and secure transaction. Let's dive in and learn how you can easily access these ratings to make more informed decisions. First, you're going to want to head over to Facebook, open your browser or your app, and make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, simply enter your login details as you normally would. Once you're in, look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find numerous icons. One of these will be for Facebook Marketplace. It resembles a small storefront and is usually toward the middle of the menu. Click on that icon and you'll be transported to the bustling virtual marketplace where users buy and sell everything from electronics to handmade crafts. Now that you're on the marketplace, we're going to focus on the selling section. On this page, you'll see a dashboard of sorts that has a tab labeled Selling at the very top or to the side, depending on your device. Go ahead and click on that. Once there, it might feel a bit cluttered, but I'm here to guide you. Within this section, look for your marketplace profile. This is your personal hub on Facebook Marketplace, where all your relevant buying and selling data is consolidated. When you click on your marketplace profile, you're closer than ever to accessing those important ratings. Here, you can see your profile details alongside your history of transactions. This is where both buyer and seller ratings live. Directly on this page, you should spot a section labeled with either ratings or reviews. This part of your profile is essential for building trust with other users as it collates feedback from others you've interacted with on the platform. Finally, take a closer look at your seller ratings. These ratings provide insights gathered from people who have purchased items from you on Marketplace. Not only can these ratings boost your credibility if you're a seller, but they can also protect you as a buyer when you check the ratings of others prior to completing a transaction. This section should display an overall rating and perhaps individual comments from buyers. It's a good idea to regularly check both your own ratings and those of others you plan to deal with, as customer feedback can provide critical information about the reliability and trustworthiness of the seller or buyer. And there you have it. Knowing how to view buyer and seller ratings on Facebook Marketplace empowers you to make smarter decisions and have better experiences. So always ensure you keep an eye on these ratings for more secure transactions. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.